Very good. How about number 5? 5. Oh, number 5. Very good. Next, number 10. 10. There you go. Number 2. 1, 2. Next, how about number 9? 9. Number 9. Oh, where's number 9? Where's number 9? Ay, again. This one is number 10. Look, oh, where's number 9? Okay, next. 4. Number 4. There you go. Fix lang yung teacher. Next, number 8. 8. 8. Okay, number 3. 3. 6. 6. And 7. Last one. There you go. Oh. Okay, give teacher a high five. High five. Finish. Oh, where's the airplane? Airplane. Where's the airplane? Airplane. Get the airplane. Oh. What airplane? Where is it? Airplane. Look for the airplane. Oh, look at this one. Oh, here. Airplane. Oh, put the airplane. Airplane. Put airplane. Next. How about the truck? Finish this one. Truck. Truck. Next. Motorcycle. Look at this one. Motorcycle. Where is it? Okay, next. Tractor. Tractor. It's a tractor. Look at your work. Tractor. Next. Bus. School bus. Helicopter. Next. Train. Choo-choo. Next. Ambulance. Ambulance. Next. Boat. Look at this one. Boat. Next. Fire truck. Fire truck. Go finish. Look. Finish your work. Fire truck. Where? Look. Fire truck. Here. Fire truck. Next. Car. Car. Again. Okay, last one. Bicycle. Bicycle. Okay, there you go. Give teacher a high five. Okay, very good. What is this? It's a cat. Cat. Meow. How about this one? Hippo. Next. Zebra. Next. Whale. Very good. This one.
Mouse.
Rat. Mouse. Next. Owl. Next one. Parrot. Oh, wait for teacher. Next. How about this? What's this?
Whale.
Shark. Shark. It's a shark. Next one. What is this? Peacock. Peacock. Next. Duck. Next. Snake. Goat. Monkey. Rabbit. Hop. Bear. And how about this one? Dog. Next. Lion. This one. Wolf. It's a wolf. Next. Horse. Next. That's a horse, not a camel. This one. Crow. Next. Penguin. Chicken. Next. Tiger. Fish. This one. What is this? Pigeon. Next. What is this? Rhino. Rhinoceros. Next. Dolphin. Next one. Sheep. And elephant. Finish. High five. There's one more. What is this? Giraffe. Give teacher a high five. High five. Very good. Get the purple ring. Purple, purple. Over there. Purple. Purple, get. Purple. Very good. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Next, color pink. Next one, the next one. Pink. Pink. Color pink. Very good. Next, green. Color green. Go ate. Green. Oh, green first. Green lang to. Oh, before this one. Next, color red. Get the red one. Color red, red, red. Where's the color red? Oh, is that color red? Oh no. Color red. Where's the color red? Red, red, red. Jason, red. Color red. Jason, no. Oh, get the red one. Color red. Go get red, red. Where the red one? Over there, look. Red, red. They're here. Is it here? Oh, color red. Get the red one. Here. Red. Go. Next, yellow. Yellow, yellow. Yellow. What's the color yellow? One lang. One. Okay. Next, purple. Purple, purple. Where's the purple one? Oh, do not remove. Do not remove. Do not remove. Get the purple one. Purple, purple. Go purple. Okay, put. So put here. Next, orange. 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 Orange only. Orange only. Next. Color yellow. Go, go, go. Next, red. Color red, color red. Uh-oh, color red. Uh-oh, look, color red. Where's the color red? Red, get the red one over there. Look, Ate Mason, over there. Here, here, here. Color red, color red. Get. Shoot. Shoot, shoot. Next, color green. Green, green. Ate, here, there. Color green, color green, color green. Here. Shoot. Okay, give teacher high five. High five. Look for the red star. Red, color red. Oh, where's the red? Red star, color red. Red. Again. Red star. Alright, look at your word. Red star. Right here. Hold this one. Hold. Here, oh, look. Red star. How about the yellow circle? Yellow circle. Where's the color yellow? Look for the color yellow. Yellow circle. Again, try again. Here, oh. Yellow circle. Next, green star. Look at this one. Green star. Where is it? Color green star. Oh no, is that a star? Where's the star? Yun. How about the green circle? Look mo, green circle. Green. Hazen, color green. Again, green. Uh-oh, is that color green again? Green. Look, eyes here. Eyes here again. Finish. Green circle. Green circle. Look, green circle. Next, green heart. Green, color green. Oh, that's color yellow heart. Look for the green. Green heart. Next, blue circle. Blue circle. Next, blue square. Blue square. Red square. Red square. Next, red circle. Okay, next, yellow square. Yellow square. Oh, look for the yellow one. Where's the color yellow up here, oh? Yellow, yellow. Next. Yellow heart. Okay, look at your work again. Look, eyes here. Uh-oh. No, finish your work. Yellow heart, where is it? Again, yellow heart. Look mo. Where is color yellow? Green. Where's color yellow? See, you have to look at your work. Finish. High five, teacher. Okay. Let's fix the robot. Wow. Hi, robot. Look for number 1, 2, 3. Robot. Yes. Number 3, 4. Oh, where's number 4? Robot. 4 and 5. Where's number 5? Fix it. Here you go. Push me. Slide, 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 slide. Okay, how about the tool? Tool. Here. Look. Ate, here. Hazen. Tool. Fix it. Okay, very good. Next. How about the next robot? Wow. Here you go. Start with number 1. 1. What? You want number 2? Saan si number 2? 2. Robot. Next. 1. Slide. 3. Like this. Go, you can do it. Eyes. 3. Slide. Next. 4. Here. Hazen, right here. 4. Next. 5. Fix it. Fix. Slide, look. Slide mo. And then the tool. Okay, next. Last robot. Go. Tool. What? Where? Slide. Next. Uh-oh. Where? Again, look here. Look at your work. Next. 3. Ate Hazen, look. 3. Next. 4. Sige, go. 4. Slide mo. Next. 5. Okay, last one. Okay, very good. Give teacher high 5. Okay.